Kasi dehydrated ka.
So, yes, very disappointing. Very disappointing ang results at the partial results of Philippines. I don't know why people still vote for those type of politicians na mostly grandstanding, you know, nothing really happened in the time that they were elected. Still hoping for the best, of course. But, hi Casey! Kailan kayo babalik dito? So, I just came back from the Philippine Embassy, the Netherlands. So, there were 2,641 Filipino registered, but only 501 Filipinos voted. As the last statistics, there were 19,000 Filipinos in the Netherlands. There were 17,000 Filipinos that are legally registered here in the Netherlands, but only 2,641 ang nakaregister. Bakit? Why? And then, we expect for a greater Philippines, and then we don't even do our basic, you know, that's, you know, it's our basic right to actually vote, but we don't really do it. Bakit? How can we change the Philippines if we don't actually change our leaders for good? It's very disappointing. Out of 19,000 Filipinos in the Netherlands, only 501 voted. You know what's funny? Because in Dutch Caribbean, there were 18 Filipinos that are registered, but 12 voted. More than 60% pa ang 12 na bumoto galing sa Dutch Caribbean than the Netherlands itself. It's the, you know, the disparity of the numbers is very concerning. So I hope we do better as Filipinos around the world next time. We really do better. I don't mind who you vote for, because that is your right to do so, but I do hope that you guys come out and vote, because that will change our country. Yes, it's very disappointing, but I'm very, very happy of the results in Davao City, especially for PRRD. I'm glad that you won, sir. And to Vice Mayor Baste, I will really now congratulate you. I believe you will really be the Vice Mayor. Congratulations. Yes po, you voted online. You know what's, you know why I wonder why? Because there are people that I do not even know, never ring a bell, never been even, you know, it's not even in the sa polls. Hindi naman lumalabas yung mga pangalan nila sa polls, but they still has voters more than the ones that are actually in the mainstream. Margie, wala pa. Namin sa Duterte Street pa. So, I really urge everyone. I don't know if I can still continue with the live. This is the situation now sa Duterte Forest, Duterte Street. There are still people here every day. And yeah, we maintain to do so. Sir, Bong, nakapasok ka ba doon?
Oo, sa baba kanina nung pasok ka.
Oo. Umalis. Maayong hapon sa Europe ug maayong gabi sa Pilipinas.
We have food here.
Naunsa naman in tawon ang ato ang result diha sa botohan. Mga kaigsuunan ko, maayo kay nadaog na kaayo si PRRD sa Davao, taas kaayo siya og boto. Og manguna na lang ko og congratulate kay Pambari 4, no? Because si Pambari 4 yes, Pambari 4 1.3 million as unofficial. Yes, 1 million sa ano na yung mga mainstream.
Bilang
So-
sa PDP nang sulod.
So 1 million ang lamang ni Pambari 4 kay Gwen Garcia.
Yay!
Yes.
Pila
This
ka
is a
PDP
situation
ang nakasulod?
sa senatorial.
Oh.
5 as of
Five?
now.
Oo.
So si Marcoleta nakapasok, si Bongo Bato, si Amy and Camille. I don't
Pasok ba ang si Kiko ba? Bullshit.
ang ano ko ang
Kiko pangalan.
what attorney, alam mo ba attorney?
Ay, ingon ba yung check?
Alam mo ba? Malaki boto niyo dito sa Gabay dito sa Netherlands.
Gabay?
Oo. If I am not mistaken, mga nasa 88, something like that. Yun pala, attorney, dapat hikayatin natin ang mga kababayan natin na talagang mag-register. Kasi kahit na hindi kayo, wala kayong papel sa Netherlands, pwede kayong mag-register kasi hindi naman requirement ang visa para makapag-register as vote. Late.
Tapos na raw kasi yung period of...
Oo, late na din kasi. Oo, late na. Pero mga kaigsuunan, mga kababayan na nandito sa Europe, lalo na sa Netherlands,
Yan ang sinasabi ko lang sa amin.
sa darating na January, mag-register tayo para sa presidential election
Sampurado.
sa 2028 makapagboto tayo. Alam nyo ba na out of 2,000, pwede ba sabihin nyo, attorney?
Oo, okay.
Out of 2,641 registered voters, 500 lang ang bumoto. 501 dito sa Netherlands.
Tapos na.
Yes po. 500 lang ang bumoto dito sa Netherlands. And ang sabi is because mga kababayan natin takot silang magparehistro dahil wala silang papel. Kahit na wala kayong papel, pumunta pa rin kayo sa
Embassy.
embassy kasi hindi naman tayo isumbong ng embassy.
Correct. Hindi, pero pag Dutch ka,
Ari siya, wala siya papel.
Hindi, naku papel. Kan pag Dutch ka, kailangan mag-dual ka pa talaga bago mag-register.
Yes. Kung Dutch citizen naman,
Sa kuha. Dati ko nakabuto diri, tingala ko na wala.
Ado matagal
Yung sama to sa embassy.
Kailangan
pwede ko naman iiwan.
Johan.
Dugong bughaw pa man ko.
So, mag-usap po na kami, Kamu na mag-live.
Mga kababayan, makialam din tayo sa budget Okay pa man akong passport.
Daw sabi, may bumoto, sa out of 12, yung binoto niya, 3 lang lumabas. Yung isa 4. Meron talagang discrepancy.
Kaya sabi, pag humingi daw tayo ng doon sa Comelec, humingi ng...
Oo.
Ay, hindi naman kasi iba rin kasi lumabas sa binutok.
Yes, sure na si Pambari 4 na nanalo. Yes, congratulations po. Governor Pambari 4, congratulations. Yes.
Masaya tayong lahat dito
So-
sa Europa.
So, yeah, it's very...
I can imagine sa
Yes, sa mga partial result na hindi PDP, that's correct. We all know that there's really discrepancy. We really have to complain about it. But of course, right now we have to focus on the results of the election because we want to really have a fair election. So, si Alvin, I think he's working. This is his 3rd day working. Of course, he still has to, make his ends meet. Because, mahirap life here. Everything has a payment. So, yan. Aon sa? Wala kay ginasapot pa ko karon. Aw. Sapot. Mao na ba na mo pangalan? Sapot na ba mo pangalan tolo? So karon jud ang major sapot niya. It's today is kind of down. Like I feel down. It's weird. I feel down today
Si Tilma na may message.
because
Nag-message siya sa ako kay famous naman daw kung dili sa Netherlands.
ano man taga Bislig day ka?
Ila ko famous naman kung dili sa Duterte Street. Nakita mo ko ni Tilma. Nag-message siya sa ako.
Basig poster na ha.
Pinoy. Kanang yan na siya oh. Nag-message siya sa ako. Sama ano siya?
Hi po. So yeah, as I promised, I went live sa Duterte Street. I don't know what to say. So I will end the live now. Yeah, it's I still have a lot of things to ponder. I still have to talk to a lot of people. And congratulations na lang kay PRRD and sa tanang nga Duterte, kay Baste, kay Kong Pulong,
Sa Cebu, Pambariquat.
kay Pambari 4, congratulations, and all the rest of the Senator Bongo, Senator Bato, Senator Marcoleta, congratulations. So I hope there's still more changes sa senators. So shout out na lang si Ate
Hello,
Marivic.
shout out sa inyo tanan. Congrats everybody. I love you all.
Ano siya sa ako?
Sige.
Dear Lucky Charm.
Alright.
Si Madi. Nalipay yung kay Gustanan.
Yes, friends, si Francis.
Hi Francis, I love you. Halika na dito lang ga. Marami kaming pagkain.
Okay, sige na. I'll process everything first and then maybe we will go live again when we go to the forest. Okay?
Kaunsa?
Babay ka na.
Bye-bye. Kain muna si Langga Aldo.
Sige raw. Grabe ka hulas. Pag live daw. Ay. Sige. Hi.